April has arrived and we're kicking things off with a 150 PV promotion running from the 1st to the 15th of April. Members who place a 150 PV order on or by the 15th of April will receive a free ZenGest 50ml blend. Now, let's dig into this month's unmissable limited time offers. For the first time in Europe, you can get the black doTERRA bubble diffuser alongside Forest Breeze Nature Blend. Together, these products give you the ultimate portable diffusing experience. Next up is the Body Carrier Oil Blend. Both colourless and odourless, it's designed to be used with your favourite essential oils. You can also look forward to the Hair Care Refillable Travel Kit. It includes 3 convenient empty 100ml bottles and a translucent zippered bag. Perfect for using your doTERRA hair products anywhere, anytime. And don't forget, you can still receive our Spring Fresh offer until the end of April. It includes the brand new to Europe CP Plus Softgels infused with copaiba, doTERRA abōde, and the doTERRA Citrus Bloom Body Wash. For our monthly member promotions, we have 2 incredible products on offer. Save 10% on doTERRA Console Comforting Blend and benefit from its grounding and renewing properties. The product of the month for April is Lemongrass. It's rich, it's fragrant, and the smallest amount goes a long way. We're also extending our personalised order free membership promotion. Exclusive to new enrollees, they just need to place a customised enrolment order of at least 150 PV, and the initial membership fee will be waived. And remember, if they do so between the 1st and the 15th of April, they will also benefit from the 150 PV promotion and receive a free ZenGest. And that's everything you can look forward to this month.